Hi everybody, this is Mubashar Mughal and one liner of this session is "You are the one." I start with quote of Muhammad Ali as he said, "I hated every minute of training. I hated every minute of training, but I said don't quit. Suffer now and live rest of your life as a champion." Now what does it mean? It means that when we have a dream in our mind and we want to achieve it, and when we are working on it, we will feel a lot of struggle, a lot of pain, a lot of disappointment. But remember one thing, what he said, that we have to suffer now. If we have set something in our mind, our aim, our goal, and that is so big and that is totally different from the other people, then definitely the more pain will come to us, the more difficulties come to us, the more depressions come to us. But we have to struggle that moment. Actually, one line of this session is you are the one. You have to take the responsibility of your dream, of your failure, of your struggle, of your hard work. It's you. It's you. No one can does this for you. You are the only one. You have to take the responsibility because you are the reason. You are the reason for your failure, your disappointment. If you take it, you can make it. Keep in your mind the struggle, the hard work will come. You have to grow through it. If you are growing day by day, it means that you are getting success. You have to accept your failure. You have to accept your responsibility. You have to welcome pain. You have to welcome obstacles. You have to welcome your failure. Then you will be able to get whatever you want from yourself. You have to surround yourself with those people who will give you courage. You have to learn from the other people and then implement that all things in your life. Sometimes you have to walk alone and the people will laugh on you. Whatever people think about you, you do not have to take it serious. You are the one and you do make a difference. You can do everything in this world, but this will only happen to you when you take the responsibility, when you are committed, when you are ready to accept any obstacle, when you are ready to accept any pain, when you are ready for the failure, then you will be able to get whatever you want from yourself. It's all about you. It's you who do make a difference. It's you who can live your dream. You are the one who can do everything in this world. Nobody in the world can live your dream. It's you. So don't excuse. Just you have to make sure that you can live your dream. Say to yourself, I am the one. I am the one who can live my dream. I am the responsible for my failure. And if I take it, I can make it. If you are doing easy thing right now, the next life will be difficult. If you are accepting now difficulties, if you are suffering now, then the next life will be so easy. So be committed. Now at the end, I repeat the Muhammad Ali quote. I hated every minute of training, but I said don't quit. Suffer now and live rest of your life as a champion. I hope you will learn a lot from this session. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.